It's Ted and John.
Ted and John, don't forget that, okay? Seriously,
don't forget that.
Ted and John. I want to make sure that's on there.
Ted, John, Ted,
Are you recording that? You better record that. You better record that.
You better not put that up on YouTube.
Terminator.
I love the atmosphere.
Convention and festival deprivation.
I'm a cat. Yeah.
Terminator.
You failed this convention.
A guy.
What brings you to Magfest?
I'm here selling my concept album, Land of the Gods. It's music inspired by the Legend of Zelda series, completely original, and tells a Zelda-style story from title screen to a final battle.
And you're debuting at Magfest.
Yes, that's correct. Both of the albums came out this year. I came a couple years ago as a fan and fell in love with the environment. I had always wanted to make my own stuff, so now I'm here selling.
What brings you to Magfest?
Machine supremacy.
That's what we're here for.
Have coined SID metal, which is a SID chip from the old Nintendo machines, and they incorporate it into a lot of their music. Together.
everybody. Glad to have you all out here. I'm going to be your host. Looking for a wonderful evening of quizzing. I hope you are too. If you're new here, don't forget you just need a pad of paper and a pen. It's free, it's fun, and hey, you may win some valuable prizes. No kidding.
What brings you to Magfest?
Well, actually, I'm here with Retroware TV, and we're just having a great time. Right now, we're standing in front of the stage for On Being Human, and we're really excited to see them on the main stage. And I've been in panels and stuff, and so yeah, it's just been a very fun Magfest and just looking out and having a great time.
Now, we saw you at the panel last night. How does it feel to run a panel at Magfest?
You know, I've been running panels ever since my first Magfest, and the people are really nice here. They work with you to get you everything that you need. It can be a little bit difficult. You know, sometimes people aren't sure of how to set things up and how to work things, but it is always a good time, and you know, it's sometimes a challenge. Last night it was kind of hard to project. When I woke up this morning, I sounded a little bit like Barry White.
This is fixed. Do you think you know more than me? You think I made a mistake or I'm an errand? Don't tell me. I don't give a shit. So, make sure you have a good drink in front of you, like I does, and let's get to this.
I'm not starting without my water.
I'm actually
I want my water taken directly from a spring
There you go.
in the highest mountains of Kilimanjaro. What was that? These evil booster. Oh. We have good booster gold pack. I like good booster gold. I feel to be the world's leading tower climber and damsel rescuer. It's a great, but the IRS are assholes about the tax rate in it.
Actually, I want to take a picture of you guys. This is ridiculous.
I'm also going to steal this bit.
Yeah.
Taking pictures of you.
Yeah. First panel, we try to read the memory. Everybody get hyped. I think that was pretty hype. Whatever. And so you got that.
I didn't even know that well back then. I wish I still did, but
things happening, picking up. We managed to, I guess, like find amazing bands that were super talented.
more talented than us.
Way more talented than us. Like animators, like good old Two Snacks. He, you know, like the guy from Brazil, just like killing it everywhere. He did, you know, things like Fun Time Adventures, and he's famous, of course, for his.
Guys, real quick, how does it feel to have so many people come to see you guys?
I'm
Overwhelmed.
I gotta go change my pants.
Yeah. we should have more though.
Keep the camera up here. Don't go down here. Just don't let them see it.
Magfest Nerf War!
Can you tell us what's going on here?
Well, what's about to happen is the third unofficial annual Magfest Nerf War. This started as just a small little game between friends a few years ago, and then last year we quadrupled in size from about 30 people to about 120.
The thing is, it kind of got out to our fan base as well, and then at that point 30 some odd people showed up that first year, and they asked, are you going to do it again the next year? And we were like, well, it made people happy, let's do it again the next year. Jumped up to 100 people, and then that's not even counting the people that just kind of stumbled in and didn't check in with us. So now here we are doing it some more.
What's your strategy going to be?
Well, my strategy this year is going to be the same strategy as every year. Point and shoot.
What's your strategy?
Shoot off every left amount of ammunition I got until no one is left on the field. That's my strategy.
What's your strategy going to be?
Okay, want you to remember that no bastard ever won a war by dying for his team. He won it by making the other poor dumb bastard die for his team.
I like puppies!
Go team rules!
Hold the line!
You had me at hello!
Russia!
Charge! Oh, I'm down! I'm down! Yeah!
I got you! I got you!
Charge! We just had round 1. How do you feel?
Cold!
Tough
Really cold!
Tough competition?
Yes!
Are you cracking under the pressure?
No!
There we go.
Yeah, driver's fine.
Master Harry, so we're good. Okay. Alright. Alright, I know I said all this stuff up front. Aim for Nash.
It's madness! It's insanity!
It's terrible! It's terrible! Continue on.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, I got you in the chest. Oh, come on. Oh, I got her. Oh, no. Am I out? Oh, that was a check
The melee battle between Mars Girl and Josh, the leaders of the Magfest Nerf War. One shall stand, one shall...
Two people.
There could be only one! 3, 1, 2, 3, go! And this ends as all wars do, with everyone dead.
Brings you to Magfest.
The people and the pussy.
Fine too.
Oh, it's actual video.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
How are you enjoying Magfest?
It's very sweaty. Very, very sweaty. Chill cold, very sweaty.
What brings you to Magfest?
My friends, pretty much. It's just nice to see people who I only get to see once a year, every year, and the pussy.
I'm all the king of the Britons! All hail the king! We're here to find the grail!
Pretty picture. Pretty picture.
Any favorite video?
Alcohol.
There we go. What has been your highlight so far?
Oh, the pussy.
It's such a perfect day. I'm glad I spent it with you. Oh, such a perfect day. You just keep me hanging on. You just keep me hanging on.